Welcome to your Mindful Mini. My name is Ariel. Today we are going to explore the amazing powers of your ears. Those little things on either side of your head. We often take it for granted that they are there. So today we are going to tune in to the superpower of your ears. By the end of this minute, you may be able to notice things you haven't been able to hear before. New sounds. So, find a quiet place to sit and let's begin. What you want to do is notice how many sounds you hear in 1 minute. This could be the sound of the birds, the sounds around you, and sounds that are far away from you. Be sure to count how many sounds you hear in your head whenever you hear something new. Are you ready? Now close your eyes and start using your ears. When you hear this sound, we will begin. When you hear this sound, we will finish. Remember, eyes closed. And let's begin. How many sounds can you hear that are close to you? Now, how many sounds can you hear that are far away from you? Hooray! You did it! So, how many sounds did you hear?